What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. Let's head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, first things first, I got these Zuru Mega Gross Minis, $2 each. Normally $7, down to $3.49. $2 is cool. These things are fun. Look at that sick talk. Some moldy McDonald's and Burger King, Starbucks. We'll get a couple of these for fun and open them up. Over here on this side, I see these Mewtwo's for $8 each. They must be clearance down at Target because that white tag means they were probably $15 to $16 at Target. Goodwill usually does about half. I don't see the Target sticker on here, but I actually had a whole bunch of Articunos of this exact thing that I bought at the town-wide tag sale a couple towns away, and I sold those online for like $40. I don't know what these are going for, but I'm gonna look them up. All right, so I just scanned him in, and even though he's priced at $8, he's going for about the same as the Articuno, $45. I'm gonna grab them both, why not? That's a great deal. All right, back to these Zuru Mega Gross Minis. I did scan it in and I can sell it, and at $2 each, it looks like you'd make $2.71 because you'd make $4.71 minus your $2 buy cost. But Amazon's actually coming in $2.22 lower than that price. So really, you'd only make about $2.71 before your buy cost. So gotta leave them behind, but we grabbed 4 to open for ourselves just for fun. It's cool. All right, over here at the glass case. Ooh, is that like a Squishmallow? Probably. Ooh, a Sony cassette Handycam. Those can be pretty good. But I noticed this Funko Pop right here, Aaron Rodgers. $8. It's in rough condition. It's got discoloration and there's some tears on the front right here you guys can see. But I looked it up, and in new condition, it sells for $69, used $50, collectible $57. So even at the $8, you could probably still sell it in used condition, even though it's new, just with the box damage, for $50. So yeah, you'd still make about $30 profit. I think I'm gonna grab that on the way out. Hopefully I remember. All right, we're heading to the back of the store, and I noticed a whole bunch of stuff from Target, definitely clearanced out right here. We have Zillionaire's Road Trips for $7 each. Streaks for $8 each. I actually just saw this at Target the other day. We have some Thor action figures for $2. Marvel games for $12. Here's a game for $5. That's not bad. What do we have up here? Oh, tech decks. Look at that. DIY concrete tech decks for $3. It's really cool. So what you could do, prices are gonna tank on this stuff for sure because all the Targets are clearanced out. I see people buy this stuff and you hold it for a year. I've done it by mistake a few times where I'll buy something from Goodwill, the price gets too low, and I leave it in my garage or in the basement, and I find it a year later, and then what was selling for $10 is now selling for $30 because everybody sold out. So you could do that, buy all of this stuff and just hold it and hope that the price comes back. I don't know, but I am gonna scan them and see if they're worth anything. So I just scanned through all of this stuff, and none of it's even remotely close to being worth it right now, so I'm not even gonna bother. What are these? Some golf balls for $1 each? Probably not, but let's go check out the rest of the store. All right, taking a look at the toy wall, and oh my gosh, I just found one of my white whales. I've been looking for this old school Nerf Whistler football literally for, I don't know, 5-10 years easily, and my cousin got one and I played with it earlier this year, and it reminded me how badly I want one of these, and I just never find them. They only sell on eBay for like $15-20, but I have been wanting to spend a couple dollars, and yeah, $2, that's perfect. That is coming home with me. I'm so happy. All right, now I'm curious what else they might have. Oh, I've sold these before in the past, these Rubik's Revolutions. I'm pretty sure the listing on Amazon is all bunk now. It's not good. Oh, you guys can kind of hear that. It still works. Where's the blue? Yeah, it still works. But I don't know if it still sells well. I used to sell these for like $25-30, and no, they only have $1 on it. I think I'm just gonna grab it. I'm not even gonna bother looking it up, but these Rubik's Revolutions, they used to be a bolo. Sounds like it's pouring rain outside. Holy cow. All right, it is absolutely dumping outside, and I don't want to walk out in that, so let's keep looking. Ooh, what do we have here for $2? Some Barbie accessories. Yeah, nothing I want there. What's this sealed thing? Pet Simulator $5, another Target thing. Probably nothing that I want. Oh, this is cool. All right, here it is. Sweet Battlefield Risk game. Never seen this. Based on Battlefield was at 4 for $5. That is super cool. I don't know if it has any value, but I'm sticking it in the cart. I'm gonna assume it does. Pop the price up here. I hope I'm right. This is really cool. Just finding some really awesome stuff. Ashley's been finding some stuff too and just sticking it up in the cart. $3 right here. We have a old Pyrex, and how you could tell it's old, it might not show up super well on camera. Oh yeah, it does. Pyrex is all capital, all uppercase. That's what you want to look for. Made in USA, that's great. At $3, I think it's a good deal. I don't know. We'll just get it. Why not? And then she loves these Lolita glasses, but we have yet to find one that's worth anything. $5. There are certain versions of these Lolita glasses that sell well. I don't know if this is one of them. There's not many, but just like anything, you gotta do your research, and maybe we got lucky. Maybe not, though. All right, what else do they have over here in the toys? I see lots of Nerf guns. Look at these Nerf Minecraft dragons for $15. That's pretty cool. I don't know if they're gonna be that good. Oh, we have more Nerfs here for $5. Nerf Super Soakers, kind of neat. Hot Wheels Racer Versus for $5. Again, they're neat, but I'm sure that the prices are close to what you get after fees on Amazon. A sensory drawing board. Oh my gosh, we gotta go take a look at this rain. This sounds insane. Oh, hold on, before I go look at the rain, what do we have over here? Harry Potter chess. Oh, that's cool. For $5. I wonder if it's complete in there. Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, let's go take a look at the rain. All right, take a look at what I do not want to go out and see. Oh yeah. Oh, it's straight up dumping out here, and we're parked way down there, so hopefully this clears up. Let's get back inside. I was coming back inside and they have another glass case with video games. Goodwill's around me. Hadn't carried video games for a long while, and it's nice to see some here. Anything good? Far Cry New Dawn for $5. That might be okay. Call of Duty World War II. I think they're all $5 each. Both of those might be okay. And then a couple Xbox controllers for $8. 3 of them. That's cool. Some figures. WWE figures. Baseball. Those are all cool. Gonna look into all of this stuff. Alright, looking up all these figures here. This guy right here, Bray Wyatt, is at 20. But you can get him on eBay for about 15 or so he's not that great. But this one right here, this AJ Styles, is $8. And at the moment, you could probably make about $10-15 profit. But nobody's selling them Prime, so maybe a little bit more. We'll grab them. And then for the Xbox 360 controllers, the glossy one is in the best condition. So $8, I'll grab it. These, the sticks are all kind of busted on them, as you can tell. So I'll leave those and I'll grab that one. And yeah, we found 2 cool things. All right, I came back to the toy wall and looked up these Nerf guns right here, the big Minecraft guys. And at $15 each, you'd actually make a little bit of money on them. $23.50 minus your $15, but then you got to take into account shipping. These things are pretty big, so shipping would really eat into that price right there. We're going to leave them all behind, but still something kind of cool. What else do we have over here? Any other cool games? Pirates of the Caribbean Treasure Hunt? Maybe, probably not. I'm going to look it up though. Alright, so Ashley was doing some research on the Pyrex right here, and we looked it up on eBay, and you know, most of the ones that sell have the lid, but there are some that sell without the lid, but still about $13 seems to be the going. That one went for $9, but we think about 13 to 15, and this is priced at what, 3? After fees, you'd probably make about 9, maybe a little bit more, but we don't think that's enough real profit in there to grab that for an eBay thing, especially because it's glass and you got to be careful with shipping. You use more bubble wrap, use a bigger box. So I think we're gonna leave it behind, but it's close. It's right on the edge of getting it. All right, so the Harry Potter chess set, which is pretty sweet for $5. It's all complete in there. You could see brand new. It sells for $93, which is insane. Such a good price. And then I was like, okay, well, used, hopefully it goes for a decent amount. I was seeing these merchants coming at $63, which is a bit lower, so I assumed maybe used is like $40. Nope, 27. So you'd only make $12.24 minus the 5. It's about a $7 profit before shipping, and the box condition isn't the best. So I'm gonna leave it behind, sadly. All right, walking on over to the media. Anything pop out to me? We don't have that long in here, so I gotta be kind of quick. Am I seeing anything? Are you guys seeing anything? I don't think so. Nothing in there. What about over here? You know, I just had all of the Harry Potters on Blu-ray that I put on auction on Whatnot, and I think all of them sold for $5. And I probably paid, you know, $1 each on them, so I lost money on that. But hey, it is what it is. I've been enjoying selling on Whatnot. It's been fun. I bought a whole bunch of comic books, and I've just been selling them off. So if you guys aren't already following me on Whatnot, please do. I stream on there pretty much every Wednesday and Friday at this point, and I start all my auctions at $2. I've been just offloading stuff because I have so much stuff. It's insane. So guys, real quick, I decided I am doing a Whatnot stream on August 9th at 8:30 p.m. this Friday. We still got lots of comics left. I've been selling these things off like crazy, so this room has become a mess, but I can't even get to my dining room or to my living room. It's crazy. There's just so many comics, not just comics. We have lots of toys and video games, and as I picked up the Switch, I'm giving this away for free during that Whatnot stream on Friday, August 9th at 8:30 p.m. live on Whatnot. Click that link down below in the description. This video is actually not sponsored by Whatnot. Not at all. I just like selling on there. It's fun. And this is coming out of my own pocket. So I went and bought this, guys, for you. So this is getting given away. Bookmark that stream, and you will be entered in a chance to win this Nintendo Switch when you join that live stream on Friday, August 9th at 8:30 p.m. Let's go. Here's some more Harry Potter Blu-rays at $3 each. Yeah. No. All right. This might be something. I've never seen this one. Let's see if this is worth anything. What I'm gonna do is scan it in with the Amazon seller app, and nope, not really worth too much. Brand new, $9.49. Used, $7.49. You'd make $2.19, and they're asking $2. Red is 50% off, so only $1, but still not worth it. We'll leave it behind. All right, I'm doing one more lap before I leave to see if I missed anything. Some Armor All here, $7. No thank you, we'll leave that. All right, here's some car cleaning kits. Everything should be from Target. Yeah, $8. Those white tags, they're killing me. Besides those Pokemon toys, those were surprisingly really good. I don't know why they were priced down so low, but I'll definitely take it. What else do we have over here? What's down this aisle? I don't think I went down the middle here. Oh, okay. I just showed these in a recent video. Are these the Kodak 140s? Oh, these are different, actually. The Ectographic Universal. I have no idea if these ones are good or not, but normally the 140 slide trays sell really well. Let's see. These look like they have 140. So these are the same thing. So what I'm going to do then is scan it in real quick and see if this shows up as the same listing, maybe with just a different model number. Let's see if these are still worth it. So I have my Amazon seller app pulled up. We're gonna scan the barcode, and okay, so these have a worse rank, but they are selling with reviews, and they sell for $27. Yeah, $27. So not sure why this rank is so bad. Let's see, are there any other barcodes anywhere? Let's see. No, there aren't. So, do I grab these? I wonder how fast they're actually selling. It's hard to tell. 41 reviews is pretty decent. But if these people have been on the listing for a long time, that's also a possibility. So what I'm going to try to do is check eBay, but eBay prices on these are much lower, I will say. Let's take a quick look. We'll scan it into eBay. And yeah, there's 3 for $33. There's 5 for $25. Really, really cheap. So it is more of an Amazon item. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna leave these 3 behind without the barcode, and I'm gonna grab this one, this $3 one right here, and we'll see how well it does. I'll send it in. All right, I was getting ready to walk out of here, but I saw this up here. It's a wasp trap. Yeah, I need these. I hate wasps, hornets, and yellow jackets for $5. I'm gonna scan it in real quick, see if there's any value in it. All right, so I just scanned in the wasp trap, and here it is with a great rank. Kind of bad reviews. It must not catch a lot of wasps. It would have been almost worth it, but I'm restricted and I cannot get approved. I'll hit request down here and show you guys what happens. I hit it and it wants, oh well, no, let's see, I'll request approval. And yep, it wants invoices and documents and things that I don't have. So that will stay behind, but Ashley found something really cool here. Look at this shirt for $4.49. Love the design. 16th Annual Bike Week 2001 Daytona Beach. Look at that artwork on there. That is so cool. Here, flip it around. What do we got in the back? Oh yeah, that is so cool for $4.49. We'll snag it. We'll list this on eBay. I don't know. I don't do a lot of clothing, but stuff that's really cool like this, we definitely take chances on it. So less than $5, that seems like a pretty good educated risk right there.